You're listening to AI Prism from Seoul Economic Daily.
Foreign investors bought 2.3 trillion won of Korean stocks yesterday, the largest single day since early May. The KOSPI jumped 6.2% to 7,284, and the won hit a two-month high. Behind it, SK Hynix's ADR surged 27% in New York, and a 40 trillion won conversion flow is now on the calendar. Meanwhile, IBM's 25% crash and China's 4.3% GDP print reshuffled the global risk map. Here's why the flows matter more than the headlines. It's Thursday, July 16th. Here's why global investors are paying attention to Korea today. Korea's rally traces to overnight catalysts in the US and Europe. A Barclays report set a $330 target on SK Hynix's ADR, while ASML's earnings beat revived semiconductor sentiment globally. At the same time, Korea's FX funding market is flashing a rare signal about pent-up dollar supply. Here's what the numbers show. The KOSPI closed at 7,284.41, up 6.24%, with every stock in the top 32 by market cap rising. Foreign investors net bought 2.33 trillion won, about $1.6 billion, the fourth largest daily inflow this year, against 159.8 trillion won of net selling year-to-date. SK Hynix gained 8.83% to 2,082,000 won after its ADR jumped 27% overnight. The dollar funding premium fell to minus 0.3 percentage points, far below its 5-year average of plus 0.34. SK Hynix plans to convert 40 trillion won, roughly $27 billion, of ADR proceeds into won between mid-July and September. The won strengthened 8.3 won to 1,484.7 per dollar, its firmest level in 2 months. ASML posted 9.33 billion euros in second quarter revenue and raised full-year guidance to 43 to 45 billion euros. China's second quarter GDP grew 4.3%, the slowest since 2022, while IBM fell 25.21% on weak enterprise software demand. So what does this mean for global investors weighing Korea exposure? Earlier, we said a 40 trillion won conversion flow is on the calendar. Here's what that actually means for you. If that dollar supply reaches the spot market, the gap with the funding market closes, hedging costs fall, and the case for unhedged won exposure strengthens. Watch foreign net buying and U.S. big tech earnings from Alphabet on July 22nd. They decide whether this rebound becomes a re-rating. That's today's AI Prism, Global Investors. This episode was produced with AI assistance based on Seoul Economic Daily reporting and reviewed by a human editor. AI Prism is a Won IFRA award-winning series. We'll be back tomorrow.
You've been listening to AI Prism from Seoul Economic Daily.